go to criminal defense attorney Robert Malove. Robert, is that the correct way to pronounce your name?
That's right. Perfect.
Welcome. This is your first time on Closing Arguments, right?
Thank you for having me.
Let the hazing begin. Robert, you specialize in DUI defense. Hit me with your best shot. Is your best shot that while they would be DUI under state law, which is .08, they're not under some... You just go ahead. Be creative. Give me your best shot as the defense. Your clients, say these are your clients, smell. They smell like alcohol. 3 people smell them. They didn't pass the sniff test, literally, and they're trying to guzzle a gallon of Starbucks as quickly as possible. Explain.
Okay, thanks. First of all, if I'm defending these guys, they're walking. Let me just say that it's not against the law to smell an alcohol. It's not against the law to fail the field sobriety exercises. What is against the law is to be under an actual physical control or driving a motor vehicle in the state of Florida while your normal faculties are impaired. We've had a bunch of witnesses testify in this case who have said that the pilots were fine. This is a rebuttable presumption on the breath test result. There's a lot of vulnerability for the breath testing equipment. The breath testing equipment is a good screener for alcohol being on board. It's not exact science. If these defense attorneys do it right, they're going to be able to explain the science to the jury, and combined with the information that we have from the other witnesses that they're looking fine, I think that they can create a reasonable doubt in these guys.
So basically, if they can see and walk, then they're fit to drive a plane? Is that what you're saying?
Very fun. Very funny. No, of course not. That's not what I'm saying. Because, you know, these field sobriety exercises, if the whole battery of field sobriety exercises are given, are even under the best circumstances in a lab without other distractions going on, only 78% reliable. If you got a 78% reliability factor,
Robert,
that's a C.
Robert,
yeah.
I've tried, I'm not an expert like you in DWI, but like Beth in New York County, Queens County, I tried a lot of these DWI cases. Yawn when the expert starts going on about the breathalyzer test. If a cop says they stunk, they couldn't walk, they were acting weird, their eyes were bloodshot, I mean, imagine you're sitting in first class and the guy can't even walk a straight line. This is not a good precedent for pilots across America. I can't believe that this jury of 6 sober-looking men is going to release these guys. Come on.
Hold on to your hats. We'll see what happens. You know, stranger things have taken place. But I'm not convinced at this point that they can actually show that there's actual physical control and that the breath test is going to show that these people were impaired. And we've had testimony from witnesses who say, despite them smelling, you know, that's not against the law in the state of Florida to have the odor of alcohol in your breath.
I'm not saying that to smell bad is against the law. I'm saying when you smell like alcohol and 3 separate people smell you, that's a pretty good sign that you have a snootful. Now, Beth Karras, he's correct. The defense can go on and on. Robert Malove, he's a veteran DUI lawyer in the Florida jurisdiction. But, you know,